I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Perfect. Now I must get out of here.
Guys, this is not a real fire. I think someone must haven't pulled the fire alarm. I think it was Polly Pocket. She will be in big trouble for that, everyone. You can all go back to class now. Polly Pocket, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm at school. You know we only use emergency alert whatever is emergencies, that's it. You are suspended for 48 days. Go home right now.
Polly Pocket. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. You are grounded until February 2026. Go to bed now.